Hey guys, in this video I'll be showing you how to make puzzles, also known as slow feeders. For these you'll need a variety of treats, kibble, canned pumpkin, unsweetened applesauce, and peanut butter. First I take the applesauce, pumpkin, peanut butter, whatever ingredients I'm using that are considered wet ingredients, and I put them throughout the puzzle. Then I sprinkle some kibble throughout the puzzle and whatever treats I'm going to use. You can use hot dogs, jerky, cheese, anything you want to use that is safe for dogs. And then you're done. Hey guys, in this video I'll be showing you how to make a Kong. For this you'll need some small treats, kibble, peanut butter, and a bully stick. First take your small treats and kibble and put that inside the Kong. Then take your bully stick or whatever else you're using to stuff your Kong and put some peanut butter on the end and then put that inside the Kong. Then take some peanut butter and coat the outside, that way it seals it. I like to put some treats and kibble on the outside, and you're done. Hey guys, in this video I'll be showing you how to make a bully stick. For this you'll need the bully stick, peanut butter, treats, and kibble. First put some peanut butter on the bully stick. I like to leave a little handle, that way when you're distributing you don't get peanut butter all over you. Then put a few of the treats on the peanut butter and add some kibble. And you're done. Hey guys, in this video I'll be showing you how to make ice buckets. If you've already seen my puzzle video, then this is fairly similar in that you'll need a variety of ingredients. First I take my applesauce, pumpkin, yogurt, whatever wet ingredients I'm using, and I put that into the bucket to cover the whole bottom. Then I add my kibble, treats, hot dogs, cheese, Cheerios, whatever it is that I'm adding into the bucket. Then I take some low sodium chicken broth. You can use chicken or beef as long as it's low sodium. I pour that about halfway into the bucket, and then I add a little bit of water to help dilute it, but you want it to be mainly broth because you want it to have that flavor. Then I take a bully stick and I put some peanut butter on it, and I do the same with some toys. That way they have a bunch of treats in there that they can eat and some toys that they can play with. This is really nice for dogs that are more stressed out at the shelter. That way they will be kept occupied longer. And this is the same as a cup, it would just be smaller amounts. And you're done. Hey guys, in this video I'll be making freezy pops. You can use any fruit that is safe for dogs. In this video I chose to use raspberries. And then you'll also need non-fat or low-fat yogurt, peanut butter, and milk bones. First I wash and I mash the fruit, and then I mix that up with yogurt. Once that is all mixed, I scoop it into the ice cube trays. And then you'll take your milk bone and put some peanut butter on the bottom and put them into each slot. And then you're all done. Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be making banana pops. You'll need bananas, plain, either non-fat or low-fat yogurt, peanut butter, and milk bones. First I begin by peeling and cutting up all of the bananas, and then I put them into a nice big bowl so that I can mash them all up. Once those are all mashed, I add in the yogurt and mix that all up. And then I add some peanut butter into the mix too and mix that. Once everything is mixed together, I begin scooping it into the ice cube trays. I like using those because those are good portion sizes for the dogs, that way it's not too much. Then I take the milk bones and I put a little bit of peanut butter around the bottom and stick them in. And then you're done. Hey guys, this will be part 1 of special diets. This is a special diet cup. First put some of the wet food in the bottom of the cup and add some dry food. Then add a little bit of water to the cup. You don't want to fill this up too much because there's no broth or anything else in it to add flavor. And then I like to stir it. These are special diet meatballs. First, you want to mix the wet and dry food and then add a little bit of water to help bind them. You want nice medium-sized patties, and you want them nice and thin. You don't want them too thick because then they'll have trouble freezing and they'll be nasty once you go to give them to the dogs. Then I like to flip the patty into the dry food and then pat the dry food just so that it sticks, and you're done. Hey guys, this will be part 2 of special diets. This is a puzzle, and if you've seen my other puzzle video, then you will notice that this is quite different from that one. There's nowhere near as much that we're putting in this one. For the special diet puzzle, you will just put the wet special diet food and the dry special diet food. Next is a licky mat. This can be used for special or regular diets, but in this case I'm doing a special diet. First put some of the wet food and smush it into the mat, then add some of the dry food, and you're done.